Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to learn fixed referencing. So today is the third day of learning Excel or Google Sheet from level 0. So in the previous video we have already learned about relative referencing and mixed referencing. So today we are going to learn about the fixed referencing. So let's see the question here. So we have monthly energy consumption in kilowatt. So Sarma family has consumed 320 in January, 290 in February, and so on. Okay. So here energy rate per unit we have given, which is 7 rupees. So per unit rate is 7. Okay. Surcharge for consumption above 2000 in 6 months. If in this family someone has consumed more than 2000 kilowatt, okay, then 5% additional surcharge will be added in this rate. Okay, so here you understood the question. Now you can see the template. Here we have to calculate the total consumption, like consumption by these family household. Okay, then the what is the amount of that consumption, and if there is some other what to say surcharge is there, then that we have to calculate. We have been given some answer hint, like these kind of calculation we have to do, that we don't need to check, by the way. So first of all, let's come here and calculate the total consumption in watt. So this Sarma family has consumed some, we are using some function, and in this 6, so what I'm doing, I'll just click on B3 cell, and then by pressing my mouse I'm dragging it towards G3. So B3 to G3, you can even write this, but I'm just selecting this range. So I'm like calculating the sum of all these units. Okay, so enter it, and you can see there is color formatting which is already been given in this sheet, so you don't need to worry about the color formatting and all. So now once we have calculated for Sarma family, we are going to drag it down and calculate for the other families as well. So you can see here these are taking reference from this and this. Okay, now comes the main topic of this video, which is fixed referencing. So we have the total consumption, okay, and the total rate is the rate of per kilowatt is 7. So I'm just going to take this reference. This is C10 cell. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this with the total kilowatts that each household has consumed. I'll just enter it. Okay, so this into this, I got the total bill amount. Okay, I'm just keeping this in the middle. So this is the total amount of this household. Okay, but once I will drag this down, I'll see 00000. Why it is happening? So in the previous video we learned about the like fixing, like mixed referencing. So what is happening, I have referenced this cell, right? This is C10. This is C10, right? So once I will drag this down, this C10 will become C11, then again it will become C12, then and so on. So it has become C15 here. So what I want to fix this. I want to multiply with it, like I want to change this number, like J3, I want to change this J3 to J5. Here I can see, sorry, J4, and then J5, J6. But this C10 I want to fix it. So to fix it, I can, like, I don't want to even go towards this column, or even in the like I don't want to change the row as well. I don't want to change the column and rows as well. So I'll use dollar sign in before C. I don't want to change it to D. That's why I have used C. And also before 10 I will use the dollar sign. That will fix my referencing. Now if I will drag this down, I will drag this down. So even here this C10 has not been changed, but this J8 has been changed. From above it was J3 I guess, and it has changed to J8 here. So this is how we have used the what to say fixed referencing, right? So for the surcharge, uh, now we can see this is above 2000, and also this is above 2000. Again I want to calculate, because there is no surcharge here, I'll just put 0, then here 0, then here 0. But no, sorry, here there's like I will have to add surcharge. So I will use this cell, and above this I will have to give 5% surcharge. And again I just want to fix it, so that like even I'm not like dragging it down, but it's good practice to fix it. And the shortcut to fix it in the Windows laptop, use Fn plus F4, and this will give me dollar sign before D and 11. Okay, enter it. So this is surcharge amount, and here also here there is 0 surcharge, and here as well I have to give surcharge. So I'll just take this, multiply this with the uh, D11, and I'll select this D11 and then press Fn plus F4 and fix it. So this is how we have used the surcharge as well. Now total consumption in January, February, month wise consumption we want to like see. So for that, what will I will do, I'll use sum function, and the total consumption of January I will click on, first of all I'll click on this cell B3, and then drag it down to B8. Okay, and enter it. Now I cannot drag it down, because it will drag if I have selected this range. Now I will drag it down, it will come to this range. I will drag it down to here, it will change the referencing from this to this. Okay, so that is not actually what I want. So for that I will have to manually, because for February I have to calculate, so I will use sum again, and then take the reference from C3 to C8. Okay, so likewise I will have to manually do this. Not every time you can drag. Okay, so you need to manually do this. Later on everything will be automated, don't worry. As of now you need to learn this, that's why I'm just teaching you guys and giving you the practice set to practice. Later on you can automate each and everything, don't worry about that. Okay, and if you are experienced, you must be thinking that like why we are doing this, we can do that and all. But I know you can do that, but for a beginner they don't know. So for them they need to know each and everything. That's why I'm covering this thing. So this is how you can do this. Okay, so total consumption we have find it out. So here this was just hint. Okay, I might be deleting this screenshot in the practice sheet, so don't worry about that. Yeah, so please practice it, and I will be giving more exercises to practice, and so that this fixed referencing, mixed referencing, and relative referencing will be cleared. And these are very important. I'm again telling you, these are very important topics in the advanced level as well. So before going to the advanced level, you need to clarify these concept. Okay, thank you so much. uh, we'll see you in the next video.